Now to our two big breaking news stories in New Haven tonight. 3 people in federal court this afternoon arrested in connection with that drug crisis we've been telling you about.
There have been at least 20 overdoses, 3 of them deadly because of dangerous tainted drugs on the streets. And now there has been a possible break in that case. News 8's Jason Newton was in court today. He is live now with what happened. Jason?
And Darren, according to the federal arrest warrant, those victims thought they were buying cocaine, but based on lab testing results, the drugs were actually the dangerous opioid fentanyl, which is 50 times stronger than heroin. 3 arrests were made last night after those 17 people overdosed in New Haven, including 3 of the victims who died and 4 that remain hospitalized. New Haven police, along with federal drug enforcement agents, arrested 3 men, 57-year-old Frank Pina, 55-year-old Jerome Clay Sr., and 48-year-old Stephen Whaley, charging them with possession with intent to distribute and distribution of a controlled substance. All 3 of the men are from New Haven. Federal prosecutors say they're responsible for at least 12 of the overdoses and 2 of the deaths. Earlier today, Mayor Tony Harp addressed a public health emergency that ravaged her city late last week, leading to the arrest.
A lot of things have happened for us to, one, understand how it got into our city at such a great rate. We know that we have fentanyl laced with heroin often, but never before was it ever sold as cocaine.
Now, there's still no word from the cops on who allegedly supplied those 3 men with fentanyl. According to the arrest warrant, one of the alleged dealers overdosed himself and was hospitalized just a few days before the outbreak. Now, 2 of the men are due back in court in 2 weeks, and one of the men, Stephen Whaley, is actually a public employee. He's the lead custodian for the New Haven Board of Education. Live in the studio, Jason Newton, News 8.